Oh my god, it's like everyone knew. They're like, Madison needs an exfoliator.
And I know it's the right time. Can't envision nothing else. I need you right now. Need you when I feel.
Hello friends, happy Saturday. I'm back again. I'm trying so hard to keep these as consistent as I can, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been so supportive. You guys are the best. Like, thank you, because it's definitely hard keeping everything very consistent with my life right now. But I'm also doing PR unboxings over on my Instagram. That's where I'm like the most active right now, so definitely follow me over there at Madison Miller. I'm doing those on Wednesdays. They're gonna be on IGTV. I'm gonna have everything linked in there so you guys can see where those things are from, all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna try to do those with new packages that I get on Mondays, so they're just like quick turnarounds for you guys to see like the new launches that just came in. But yeah, definitely follow me over there. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys love the PR unboxings. Comment down below what you are most excited about, and let's just go ahead and get into these. I'm dying to get into them. All right, so first off, we have a package from Hip Dot. I've never heard of Hip Dot before, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. Oh my goodness, look at these peeps. These are a 4-piece makeup sponge set, and they're little peeps. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Ollie, you can't take these. I literally he took my beauty blender and I couldn't find it for like a week, and the cleaners just found it. And I'm like, that's where it went. It was all the way in Riley's room somewhere. Anyway, so Ollie can't have those, but these are super cute. They also sent over the Acacia Rosehip Oil lipstick. Comes in like 2 right here. So, okay, oh, here's the lipstick. It's a nice red lipstick. And then this is the oil. Oh, how cool. So probably just like a nice clear gloss to put over it. And then what else do we have? Oh my gosh, look at this Hello Kitty right here. This is so cute. So this is the Hip Dot Hello Kitty. What is it though? Oh, it's an eyeliner mascara duo. Let's open this up. So it's an eyeliner mascara duo. So one side is eyeliner. This I'm guessing is the eyeliner side. Ooh, it's nice and black. Look at that. Yeah. And then the other side is the mascara. That's so cool. Oh, that's awesome. I love Hello Kitty. So we've got that little guy right there. We also have this Hip Dot Pressed Pigment Palette. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at these colors. Ooh, those are really, really pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch. Let's do Wanderlust. This is really gorgeous. Oh my God, the pigment. Oh, those are so nice. Let's go to Mystery. Oh yeah. I like the formula. The formula is really nice. It's really pigmented. It glides right on, and this is a shimmer shade. Okay, I really like the formula of this palette. Oh, this is gonna be fun. And I love the color scheme of it too. You got a little bit of like plums, you got berries, you got neutrals in here. So that's really pretty right there. So we have this palette, and then next up, last but not least from them, we have the Perfect Face. So let's check this out. Oh, this is pretty. That's really pretty. It's like this blush topper. Oh yeah, it's like a blush topper. You can see that right there. Here's the contour. I like the color of this oh yeah, I like the color of this contour. It's a nice like neutral. And then we have this glow right there. Those are really pretty. I'm definitely gonna have to have a little bit of a tan to pull off that highlighter, but those are really nice, and I really like that bronzer right here. I feel like this bronzer will work for me when I am fair and even self-tan, so that's nice. So thank you, Hip Dot, for sending those over. All right, so next up from Good Molecules, we have a new toner. So this is their glycolic exfoliating toner. It retails for $14. It says that it contains 3.5% of glycolic acid for gentle but effective resurfacing. You'll love how your skin glows in the morning. Oh, so this will be nice. I need an exfoliating product too right now, because that's what I feel like my skin, it needs some serious exfoliation. I was just cleaning it. I'm tired. I was just washing it this morning, and I was like noticing, I was like, I need to grab an exfoliator right now. So I gotta try this out. This is what the toner looks like. Put some on a cotton round, put it on your skin. try it out. So definitely got to try that one out. So thank you, Good Molecules, for sending this over. All right, so next up we have a package from Fourth Ray Beauty, and this is their, oh my God, it's like everyone knew. They're like, Madison needs an exfoliator, so let's go send some exfoliators over because we've got a new one. This is from Fourth Ray Beauty again. Pineapple Face Polish. I'm excited. It's actually, I feel like this is going to smell really good. Like really, really good. I'm gonna open it up right now because I want to smell it. Oh my gosh. I want to feel the exfoliation on my hand right now. This is gonna be nice. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. This is making me crave fruit right now. This smells really, really good. So definitely going to use that. I will let you guys know how this works out for me, but it's like they all knew Madison needs to exfoliate. All right, so PEDS sent over some more socks, which I am so grateful for because I love PEDS socks. They're my absolute favorite. So they sent over these black ones here. I don't have these. I have these in white, I believe. I don't have them in black, but they're the all-day active ones. They're an arch compression, breathable mesh, bounce back stretch. So this is what they look like. They legit have the best, you guys. I really like their low ones because they're great for if you're wearing ballet flats or wearing heels or booties and stuff because you cannot see them. And they have some that have a cushion on the bottom that's really great if you're wearing anything with a heel because it just gives you a little bit more like cushion and your feet don't hurt as bad. I've noticed a huge difference when I wear them, so I love their stuff. The other ones that they sent over, they're all day active. So these are some other ones right here. Great for with those workout shoes. I live in workout shoes because I'm constantly chasing after a toddler and bending and grabbing a baby. And then here are the white ones right here. So these are so nice and soft. I love these, and you cannot see these if you're wearing a tennis shoe. So if you're curious on those, you cannot see them. I wear my, what are these ones? Adidas? Boop. Cannot see them at all. So those are great. They also send over some cute stickers right here. You go girl, make yourself proud. Look at those, boss babe, yeah. And then we rise by lifting others. So this is Empowered Women, Empowered Women. At PEDS, we believe that empowered women empower women. This year, we partnered with the small business boss babes to share their journey, challenges, and tips for aspiring entrepreneurs. Through this campaign, we aim to inspire you to reach your dream and find your passion. This is awesome. I love this. So I'm guessing the brand that they worked with is called Ocean. And oh, how cute. They sent over these really cute tassel keychains right here. Open up this one. Looks like we have two of them. And it says, Empowered Women, Empower Women. So actually this will be really cute little gifts. I think these will be great gifts. I actually think I might save these for like a little gift for Riley's teachers. I think that will be really great for them. They can put their little key fobs on it. But these are awesome. So thank you so much. I will link the brand down below for you guys. Next up, we have a package from BUXOM right here. And this, oh, I have a feeling they must have me on two separate lists because I got the same thing that I've already had before. And this stuff is awesome. This is their new Plump Shot. It's a collagen infused lip serum. This stuff is really, really nice. So it is pure vegan collagen, tripeptides, hyaluronic acid filling spheres, and it has no mineral oil, no petroleum, or parabens in it. So we're actually gonna pop this on my lips right now. But it's a great little gloss, honestly, to also just have in your bag. Like that's what I say. Like when I find like good little glosses like these, they just kind of start piling up in my bag because I love to reapply my lip gloss or my lipsticks throughout the day, and I love stuff like that, like lip balms and stuff. Those are just great to have on hand. All right, so next up we have a package from KOKIE Cosmetics, and they sent over two products. So we have their strobing palette right here, really pretty. Let's open this up. I think this is a cream. Yeah, this one's a cream. So that's what that one looks like right there. And then we have this one. I think I'm gonna have to, actually I think I can get away with this one being fair. This one I have to wait till I'm a little self-tan for, but those are really gorgeous. Then we have the Artist Palette. This is Goddess. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this palette. This one right here is screaming fall, like pumpkin spice vibes. It actually would be really pretty if I created an eye look with this palette on my eyes right now with this look that I have today, because I don't have like anything. I just throw bronzer into my crease now. I'm in a rush in the morning and to filming that I don't get enough time to really sit and do my makeup much anymore. But I will get there. I will get back one day. I will get back. We'll have the makeup videos again. I promise. That's what people ask me. They're like, I missed your makeup videos. I'm like, I know. It's just, they take me a long time to film. Hang on a second. Let me clean off my hand real quick and I can swatch these better. Let's swatch these now. That's really pretty. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. This is something I would love for a lid shade. Then this one. Oh. These are really pretty, and the formulas are very buttery, like very buttery creamy. They kind of remind me of, you remember like the old Lorac Cosmetics formula? I think so, they sold a while ago, and I feel like they just kind of haven't been the same since. These remind me of the Lorac Pro palettes, which they would come out every year with. I loved those palettes. That's what these remind me of, so definitely check these out. These are pretty. So thank you so much, KOKIE, for sending these over. They also sent over a liquid eyeliner as well, so cannot wait to use those. I definitely need to use this for like a fall look. I think that will be really pretty. I really like the formula of them. They feel very buttery. Next up from Makeup Revolution, we have, oh, what are these? Oh, we've got concealers. We gotta try these out. I heard really good things about the Revolution Conceal and Define concealers. Who was it that I heard rave about them? I think, was it Kissy Holmes, like back in the day? I think it was. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know, you guys. I'm sure many of you guys know Casey. I love her. But they sent over C0.1, C1, and 0.7 to me, which will be perfect right now. So definitely gonna put those with my makeup bag, and we'll do that. One thing I plan on doing is I plan on doing like quick reviews, maybe on IGTV on Fridays on my Instagram, and then I want to bring them back before these videos as well. I gotta start planning for them and kind of organizing things. Like, I don't wanna be too ambitious because, as we all know, it's tough right now for me. But I feel like the more organized I get with things, the more consistent it will allow me to be, and the more schedules I have. That's how I thrive. So I'm gonna try, we're gonna try, but I really wanna do like quick little reviews on Instagram, because that's where I'm like really starting to like, a lot of my passion right now is on Instagram, just because I love Instagram. So that's why I feel like I've been posting more over there recently. And then also Life of Maddie is like, a lot of people ask me like, oh, where's your other videos? All on Life of Maddie. Life of Maddie just has a lot more variety that I could do over there, where I could add in the makeup, but I can also add in lifestyle and stuff. It's very different than over here. I feel like over here, I feel like I just have to show makeup. So definitely follow me on Life of Maddie. That's where I post the most frequently. And especially if you're a mom, it'll be very helpful over there with the videos I do. So yeah, thank you Makeup Revolution for sending this over. We're gonna use some of that concealer and we're gonna put it to the test and cover up these little bags that I have going on underneath my eyes. All right, so next up we have a package from a few different brands. So this is from DERMA, Think, and Dr. ZENOVIA. So first off, let's go through the Think products. I love their stuff. This is the Think Sport. This is the Standard Safe Sunscreen. Check this one out. Awesome. I did not know they had a face one, a face and body stick. These are great. They're awesome for the kids. I actually really love it when they're really white, because then I know when I need to reapply. So with Riley, like what I'll do, I learned this from Joel's cousins, but basically what I'll do is I'll put this all over her face. I won't rub it in or anything like that, like, you know, to where it goes away. I like to cover her, and then once I see it starting to kind of go away, then I reapply, which is a great little tip that I've learned, like especially when you're all day out, like if you're going to the lake or something, it's an awesome little tip to do. Another thing that they sent over is their magnesium deodorant. This is a coconut and pineapple. We have not tried this kind. I know Joel and I, we have the grapefruit one, and then also this blue one. I use the blue one, he uses a grapefruit one. So these are awesome. Next up from, let's go DERMA, they sent over their Scar Gel, which is awesome. It's such an awesome thing. You can also, you can use it for like if you have any hyperpigmentation, or like say if you have a pimple that you think is gonna scar, start putting that on it right away so it doesn't scar, or even if you have a scrape or something on your arm, you can use it. We also have the Advanced Peptides Collagen Moisturizer here. Really like it. Anything with, Joel was asking me about collagen this morning. He's like, what is this? And I was like, I go, when you get older, you start losing collagen. I go, do you notice that your face doesn't look as perky as it used to? I go, it's because that collagen is going away. So You drink collagen. That's what I told him. He was laughing. And then also the microdermabrasion scrub right here that they sent over, which is an awesome scrub. It's very heavy duty scrub, so be very careful with it. Next up from Dr. ZENOVIA, we have, oh, actually there's another brand in here. We have REPLENIX, but okay. Dr. ZENOVIA, they sent over their advanced retinol night repair treatment. Awesome. I cannot use this yet. I am breastfeeding. You can't use retinol while you're breastfeeding, so I'm just gonna save that. Then we have the glycolic acne peel pads, which is for clear complexion. And then from the brand REPLENIX, we have their vitamin C Pro Collagen Serum. That sounds nice. I love that. Maybe I should give that to Joel. And then we have their clarifying pads and their Age Restore Nighttime Therapy. Ooh, that sounds nice. I'm gonna try that out too. Ooh, nice. Okay, so thank you to all these brands for sending these over. I can't wait to try out these products, and then some of these I already use. DERMA, love. So, and also thanks. So I'm excited to try out Dr. ZENOVIA and REPLENIX. I've never heard of those before, so I'm definitely gonna look more into these. This serum though, sounds really nice. Oh, it's for discoloration, yes. All right, so last but not least here, you guys, we have a blow dryer from GHD. So GHD sent over their new blow dryer. This is the Helios Professional Hair Dryer. I'm super excited for this. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Let's open it. This is so nice. Look at that. I love the color of it. The burgundy with the gold. Now it's the test is how heavy is it? Oh my God, it's lightweight. Oh, I cannot wait to try this out. I'm gonna use this. I'll let you guys know how I like this, but it's nice and lightweight, and I like it that it's not like huge. Another big plus. And then it also has this guy right here. So that way you can really, let me pop it on. There we go. You can use it to like focus and like, you know, do a round brush, do a brush with it. But that is awesome. So thank you so much, GHD, for sending this over. My next time that I blow dry my hair, I'm gonna test it out and see how fast it blow dries. With extensions, definitely takes a long time for me to blow dry my hair. So we're gonna see how this one works. I'm excited, and I love the fact that it's not heavy, because the heavy ones, they're a workout. So I'll let you guys know how that works for me. All right, so that's everything in this PR unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what you're most excited about. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video and also over on Instagram. Bye.